Fred here. First weekend of 2019 coming up right now. Heading off to Cutty Sunset, Louisville, Ohio. Nice and close, 20 minutes away. Anything happens, we're close by. Welcome to Ohio. Rainy, overcast. Hoping it clears up a little bit tomorrow. But it is muggy. I'm sweaty. Let's get on the road. Thanks for stopping in. Out here at Cutty's, all set up. Easy drive out. Give you a quick tour of the inside here. People are starting to show up here. I got here about 2 hours ago. Nobody across the street in the 30 amp area. Let's back in. We're in the pull-throughs. We'll do a little tour of that in a little bit. All set up in the inside. Give you a little tour. Not a whole bunch to see. Just had some dinner. My wife and daughter are coming out tomorrow morning, so with it being so rainy, they thought it would just be better to come out tomorrow morning. I don't blame them. So, all set up. Well, it's now Sunday morning, going on probably 11:30. My wife and daughter already took off with the dogs. It's just easier to do it that way. This weekend was pretty much a wash. Weather was terrible. Rained all day yesterday. Pretty much rained Friday night too. But nice to get the rig out. Found an issue. Hot water tank is only going to about lukewarm, and did some research. I suspect it's the sensor, so I already ordered the pack of sensors off Amazon for the Atwood water heaters. Looks like about a 10-minute fix, so we'll get that taken care of. Right now I've got the front jacked up. I have to do this because I get water on the top of my slide, and it's actually a defect from Fleetwood. We had our RV mechanics take a look at it when we had it in last time, and there's a seam that's not sealing, and they even thought about ways to patch it, but there's a seam that will never seal up there that's supposed to keep the water from getting up there, and unfortunately it is. So he said, aside from putting a piece up there that would go across the top of the slide and building something custom, really custom, there's really no way to do it. So the fix is to do exactly what I do, which is what a lot of RVers do in these cases, and that's jack up one end, let it drain, and take your slide in instead of getting water on the inside. But it's good to just get the rig out. Like I said, this place is half-hour away with the RV, 20 minutes by car. So if something happens, we're close to home. I think it's just about done draining. I always have to use the extension sewer hoses here. It is quite a distance, unless you pull all the way to the front. Doing the tank flush. It's just about done. There's a couple little pieces still popping out. You can see the water's just about done draining. A couple of drops, so I think we can let her down and take the slide in, and I'll put a rag on top just in case there's any residual. Plug this back up, put my 50 amp hose in, and we'll be on the road. Yeah, just a soggy trip this time. One of the straight across from me over there was one that caught fire last week. We were going to go take some pictures of it, but there's always been people over there. We don't want to disturb it. Sounded like it was an electrical fire. Totally destroyed it. Looked like the fire emergency service had to almost cut out half the other side of it. Looked like they took a sawzall to it and had to cut out part of the slide to get the fire out. But total loss. The couple that was in it are okay, no issues. But they're just cleaning up. This was just last weekend. So there's a big pile of rubble over there, and I see them working over there. Glad everybody's alright. You don't like to hear that. Pull-throughs this week were all full. I think there was somebody in every one of these pull-through sites this week. 3 sites right beside me were the same family or friends. So that was cool. Sites across from here, like I said, won't fill up till after Memorial Day. That's when these all fill up. Good sites. They're just kind of close together over there, not quite as nice as these pull-throughs. Alright, got to take the awning in too. Couple things to do and I'm on the road. So, first weekend is in the books. And next weekend, another trip. Actually camping next 2 weekends. And then we have a weekend off. And then we're going on a big trip. So, 4-day weekend, Memorial Day. Going down to Kentucky. So, that'll be fun. Well, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Lots going on. Thanks for watching.